Okay, so we've got these hanging baskets I got from Miss Katie. Got it for her birthday I think it was last week, was it? And really pretty. Got a lot of growth on it. Real good plants. We bought them from, was it SNL or LNS? I don't know. It's over in Shodo. It's off about Highway 412. Really nice greenhouse. The Amish own it and run it, and they do a really good job. They know their stuff. Well, she told me that looks real pretty, everything like that, but it needs a trimming. Okay? So she said to go back on this undergrowth right here, trim them off, and it'll fill out with more blooms and look really nice. They say if you got like anything kind of coming up, you know, in the next couple of weeks, do it a couple of weeks ahead, and it'll grow out and it'll look real nice for your event, whatever you got. So she said what she does is just take some scissors and just like so, and just kind of give it a little bit of a haircut. I'm gonna save these for the goats. Nothing goes to waste around here. Because I've had these before, these hanging baskets, where it kind of grows down and gets really heavy, and then it actually damages your the feeder root system, and looks really kind of, I mean, they'll look nice down here for a while, but they'll start getting real thin here at the top, and they'll start dying out. So kind of keeps the weight off the vines, kind of keep it full and nice. That's kind of what we're going for. But I'll let you kind of see what it looks like. I have to use this pot right here to put it in because it has this nice little decorative cone on the bottom side of it. Oh man, we got water pouring out of it. We had rain last night, so it might have filled up with water. I'll have to take care of that. Yeah. Kind of trim this stuff back a little bit.
Do you know what you're doing?
Nope.
Hopefully you're not breaking them.
But I stayed at a Holiday Inn last night.
Mm-hmm.
It's a commercial. You know, like they have the guys going in from brain surgery and stuff, and the doctor's in there and says, "Are you the doctor?" No, but I stayed at the Holiday Inn last night. You can kind of, just like you would do with the trimming bushes and stuff, it kind of, you kind of shape it the way that you want it to be shaped. But the main thing is just keep it healthy so you can have blooms all summer long. And in the past, you take and get you some nice flowering baskets and stuff like that, and within a couple of weeks, the suckers are dying. That's what we're going to try to keep from doing. A couple of weeks from now, I might be saying something a little different. They might be all dead, but I don't think they will be. That lady there at the store, she seemed like she really knew what she was doing. Kind of like a guy once told me, he says, "I don't know a whole lot, but I know people." So if you know people, you get information from them, it's a little better deal. Katie, she's gonna come out and she's gonna say, "What you doing to my flowers?" She would be out here, but she's kind of feeling underneath the weather. She kind of, allergies are really bothering her right now. Okay. Olivia, how does that look? Let's hang it up and see what it looks like. I've missed some spots down here.
All the flowers are gone.
They'll bloom out soon too. I might be going and getting Katie some new flowers. I don't think so though.
Maybe we should wait on the other one and see how this one does.
You don't think we should do? You don't think we should do the other one? That other one needs it probably worse than this one. I don't know. This one was pretty overgrown. So, this is how we're going to do it. I'll give you an update on how it looks in a couple of weeks. I might be going back and getting me some new flowers. I don't think so. I think it'll work out good. If you guys know something that I don't know, which I'm sure you do, throw some comments down there below, and I will be sure and reading up on this because I'm all ears here. Thanks for watching.
Looks good. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Right, we know what we're doing, don't we, Liv?
So did you just cut the bottoms off?
Yeah, just kind of trimmed that, and then I had a few stragglers up on top.
Flowers are in my trash can now. Sad.
But for new growth, you got to cut off the old a little bit. What I say. That's
I
my
want to grow
motto.
some more so you can cut me off.
No. No. You're like that orchid off of Dennis the Menace. After 80 years, or however long it is, you keep blooming and getting better and better. But hopefully, once you bloom, you last longer than 20 seconds.
that one looks good though, I will say.
Yeah, I think it looks good.
So you do it every 3 weeks?
Yeah, just a couple of weeks. Just
Are these going to last, do you think?
no, these are our pansies. They're not liking the hot weather.
I wonder if we should go replant and get some flowers tonight.
Oh, bad idea.
We trim the bushes.
Yeah. Trim the bushes up.
So what's next? You're going to power wash the house?
I need to do those ones in the back. Bushes.
Looks good.
So this is another one that we got from there, back here by the pool. We're going to kind of do the same thing. Kind of get some of this weight off the bottom of off these vines. Kind of trim them up. So we live pretty close to Amish country, and I get to know a lot of them, doing business with them. And if you have questions on the farm, who better to ask than the Amish? They live it every day. It's kind of cool, and very knowledgeable. So I'm very blessed to have the ability to ask them some questions and get to know them. It's a pretty neat community. Because with food shortages and stuff like that, they're not nearly as affected as we are. So get some knowledge from them, learn, and they know what's going on. Livy, why are you not swimming?
It's cold.
It's cold. It's about 50 degrees and raining. We just got the pool. This is Second weekend we've had the pool open. Last weekend was very cold. The water was cold because we had to fill up with water and a lot of well water, and the well water is very cold. And weather's not letting us swim today. So what are we doing instead? We're working. That's good. All right, what do you think, Liv? Livy Lou?
Good.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
Did I miss any spots?
Mm-mm.
Good? All right. Let's set this right over here. Okay, this is another basket. Needs to be trimmed up. Just beautiful flowers. Hate to get in here and cut them, but hopefully we'll have beautiful flowers all summer long. What do you think, sister?
Good.
Look better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we got a mixture of flowers on this one. We got petunias, and then we got the sweet potato vines. I'm guessing, I haven't done any research on this, but I'm guessing you can kind of do the sweet potato vines the same way. So we're just going to kind of give a little bit of a trimming. Okay, that one didn't take as long. So there they are. Show 'em, Liv. So they don't look as full as they did a while ago, but we're looking for future growth. Okay, we're going to throw some fertilizer in there, give them some nutrients. Hopefully it rebounds and more flowers. So, you guys got any advice, comments? Let me know, and I'll learn right there along with you. So thanks for watching on this Stoke Living petunia trimming extravaganza. See you next time.